I still remember that evening like it happened 5 minutes ago. I was driving through Moscow, Idaho, delivering food for DoorDash. My GPS pinged a last-minute order, a late-night snack for a student. It was around 9:15 p.m., and the University of Idaho campus was eerily quiet. I pulled into the driveway of that house on King Road. As I stepped out, I heard muffled voices, sharp whispers, and footsteps. I scanned the front yard. No one. I knocked. No answer. Just then, I heard what sounded like footsteps dragging across the floor upstairs. I caught a flicker of movement through the blinds. A tall figure walking across an upper hallway, almost gliding. He wore dark clothes and a mask. My heart pounded. I tried to stay composed, hoping it was just someone's roommate messing around. My phone buzzed. Order expired. I turned to leave, but then I heard a sharp crack, like a gun hammer sliding back. For a split second I froze, but instinct kicked in. I sprinted to the car, glanced back once, and there he was, that tall, masked figure emerging from the front door, stepping into the glow of my headlights. Our eyes met for less than a heartbeat. He dropped something, maybe the weapon, then bolted down the street, disappearing into the darkness. I slammed the car into drive and nearly flew out of the driveway. Blood coursed through my ears, but I glanced down. My phone was still recording. I'd captured him, but my hands trembled too hard to do anything. I sped off. The next morning, the news broke. 4 students murdered inside that exact house. Shock, disbelief. And then they showed my delivery route surveillance footage on the news. My car pulling out as police cruisers rolled in 30 minutes later. Days later, I was contacted by investigators. My footage placed someone near the scene right before the massacre. My footage, my eyewitness account, made it into the trial as crucial evidence. Today, I sit here, shaking, typing this, because I know I was there. I saw the man exit. I heard that click. And every time I close my eyes, I see him standing under my headlights. I wish I'd stayed. I wish I'd done more, but all I did was deliver groceries and witness horror.